Hide, hide, hide in a snake. Whoosh. Hello and welcome to channel. Finally snow. Do you know proper way to clean your snow of the car? If you don't, stay with me and I will show you.
Take off.
Okay, so welcome back. Drone is here, so you can see much better. And proper way to clean your car of snow. This, when you do that, I can't see right now, but at the sun you will see scratches. This of course not. Do it with this and this. So like this. It's a lot better and won't left the scratches on the paint. On the window you can easily do this, or perhaps this, but if you use anything that is harder than this, will leave scratches. I can't see right now, but seems good. So I will clean this and speed up a little bit. Hi. And point of everything is when winter pass and sun rise, you shouldn't see scratches on the car. That's why it's so important with what tool you're cleaning your snow of your car. I hope this video helped you. If it is, like, and we will see each other in next video. Bye.